Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 131 Sikes Avenue here in West Springfield, Massachusetts.
If you're in the market for a fully renovated, charming 3-bedroom bungalow with a fantastic yard, then you're not going to want to miss this one.
I love this updated property. My favorite feature is the updated kitchen with granite countertops, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances.
This incredible property includes 2 nicely sized bedrooms on the main floor with an updated full bath and a loft-style bedroom on the second floor.
There's so much character throughout this home with a spacious living room, gorgeous wood floors, fireplace, and large picture window.
Located in a quiet, well-desired neighborhood on almost half an acre in West Springfield, this beautiful property has everything you need, such as a 1-car garage, enclosed back porch, and so much more.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 131 Sikes Avenue here in West Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Here in West Springfield.
Look at that, you didn't even flip the page for me.
Perfection.
If I don't have that down by now, we're in trouble.
Some of my favorite features are the updated
This incredible part.
Good.
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
Let's get it.
Oh,